And then a chosen ciphertext. The attacker chooses what ciphertext gets decrypted. And so, again, this is even harder. As we go through these attacks, ciphertext only, you know, an attacker can get ciphertext anywhere, but it's really hard for it to be successful. As we're going through these, they're harder for the attack to carry out, but they're more powerful. So a chosen ciphertext is a very powerful attack because it'll allow the attacker to get more information about what key was actually used. And so how would they choose, you know, what ciphertext gets decrypted? Well, the attacker actually would need to own a system or get on a system that has the encrypted data, the ciphertext, and have the ability to decrypt it so it can receive the plain text. So I would have to like hack into a system and then be able to access the encrypted documents, and then I could say put it through whatever the software to unencrypt it. And now it would seem like I would have all the power if I'm on that system already and I have the encrypted message and I can decrypt it. But again, what I'm trying to figure out is that key. Just because I'm on a system, I can control it and I can put the encrypted messages through the process and I can get the resulting plain text doesn't mean I know the key yet. So that's the whole goal, finding out the key. So again, look at the names. Chosen ciphertext. The attacker chooses a ciphertext that's decrypted. Chosen plaintext. The attacker chooses what plaintext gets encrypted.